Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the best way to learn how to invest and save perfectly using Cowrywise app. The first thing you need to do is open up your Cowrywise app and tap on learn at the bottom. As you can see, Cowrywise has made it possible for you to learn in 60 seconds how to do a lot of things like risks and mistakes to avoid in stock investing. You can see how to understand the stock market, the types of stocks. So you have to do is watch those videos and you will know much more than you ever knew before about investing in stocks. Then if you want to know about other things, you can see how to build a financial educational app for your kids, why the Nigerian stock market is booming and what it means for you. These are all the articles, also you can have a quick read of them to know much about Cowrywise stock investing and other ways of investing on Cowrywise. So as we all know, learning never ends. Hope you found this video